could we get rid of farm subsidies and does that affect environmental outcomes? Well, almost every Western democracy subsidizes their agriculture in some way. And so is it a reasonable idea that we would get rid of all of it? It probably is not. What we could do, though, is more aggressively tie public money to conservation. And so, as I said, we had conservation compliance in the 1985 Farm Bill. It worked. Well, there's no reason we couldn't do the same thing for all sorts of other stuff. With nutrient pollution, air pollution from CAFOs, whatever it might be, pesticide pollution. There ought to be some accountability for this public money from a conservation and environmental perspective. That seems like a possible thing we could do as a civil society, right? But of course the farm interests are very much against that. I do think this country could take a long, hard look at our agricultural production and what does it make sense to produce at what level. So, we overproduce all sorts of stuff. Why are we doing that? It's not good for us, and it's not good for the farmers in many cases.